Engineering is really a really broad term, and people misuse it and really don't know what they're saying when they say engineer. And the associate in engineering is not really intended to prepare you for the workplace. The associate in engineering is intended to prepare you for transfer to an engineering school. Conversely, engineering technology, the purpose of the associate degree is to prepare you for the workforce. And so after getting your associate in engineering technology, you can go into the workforce and work and get a good job. But you can also go and transfer to a four-year institution and get your bachelor's in engineering technology and become a technologist. The advantages of doing the Fayetteville Tech 2 years and then transferring to the engineering school are that you'll have more access to the instructors, you have a lower student to faculty ratio, and also the tuition is much cheaper. So I'm sure everybody can appreciate that.
We find out that most students come to us are more hands-on and intuitive, and they're best suited for the engineering technology. If they're theory-based, the math, the calculus, the science, then the engineering is best suited for them.
Here at Fayetteville Tech, we have 3 engineering technology programs. We have the Civil Engineering Technology program, we have the Electronics Engineering Technology program, and we have the Geomatics program. And the Geomatics is what's usually called surveying.
Civil is so broad, it's kind of hard to narrow it down. So we do material testing, project management, surveying, analysis of structures, AutoCAD, design. There's just so many different disciplines of civil. Adding the geomatics to a student's program just makes them very marketable. Most students don't know what geomatics is. It's land surveying that includes mapping, surveying, and deed research. It's 4 additional classes and only 1 additional textbook difference from the civil, and they could have 2 separate associate's degrees.
Electronics is probably the one area where, pretty much tells you how everything works. I mean, radios, smartphones, even cars now. Cars used to be just an engine, but now there's like computers, there's many computers there, lots and lots of electronics. As you know, you got a dashboard, you got cameras and everything. So if you really want to understand how things work, then electronics is really the area to go. The Associate in Electronics Engineering Technology program, you can take that and transfer to several universities here in North Carolina and go on and get your bachelor's in engineering technology. Engineering is just fun because you're starting with an idea and you're ending up with something in the end that wasn't there before. You can create something. You start with an idea and you create something.